Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can do multitasking on your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 26. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26 and now you want to do the multitasking on your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can do that. So first of all, here you will need to open settings in your iPhone iPad device. Then here you will have to scroll down. Then here you need to tap on general. So after that, here you need to tap on software update, and first of all you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you will need to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after that, here you will have to close this tab. After that, here you will need to open App Store in your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, you will see this interface. Here you will need to tap on search option. Then here in search bar you will have to search for split screen. So here I am going to search for split screen app. So after that, here you will have to scroll down. Then here you will find this app in your iPhone App Store. So here you will need to install this app in your iPhone device. I have already installed this, that's why here I will need to just open it. So after that, here you can see that here's a multitasking option available here. I am using two windows. Here I can search anything from here, and here I can search anything from here. So here I can do multitasking by using this app in my iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 26. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.